welcome to Take 5 with the Regional Chamber. I'm Kim Calvert. The second annual Valley Health and Wellness Expo is in the books, and we had an incredible turnout. 2,000 people attended the expo, where they had a chance to visit nearly 60 vendors, speak one-on-one with experts, and participate in free screenings. Talia Hagler spoke with the expo sponsors about why they joined together for this special event.
Many of the healthcare organizations at the Valley Health and Wellness Expo are typically competitors, but the sponsors come together once a year to put on this event to educate the community about all the great care available here in the Valley. It's a message they're trying to spread and a perception they're trying to change. People don't have to leave home to get high-quality care.
We have the greatest robots in the world. You don't have to go to the Cleveland Clinic. They're here at all the institutions in Youngstown, Ohio. We have some of the greatest trained physicians in the world right here in Youngstown, Ohio. People come from around the country to get trained on the robot at Southwoods, at the other institutions.
Why do you have to go to Cleveland? Why do you have to go to Pittsburgh? Yeah, they have bigger facilities, but as I say, the bigger is not better. We have high quality stuff here, and you don't have to fight the crowds or get lost in traffic over there. So there's a lot of resources in this valley, and there's no reason why people can't stay here for their health care, complete health care.
The expo allows people to visit with about 60 vendors to better understand what they have to offer. They can also speak one-on-one with experts about any issues they're facing, and they can even have screenings done right on site. All of the discussions and screenings are aimed at another big healthcare issue: wellness and preventative care.
The Expo is really a great opportunity for us to highlight where healthcare is going rather than where it's been. Where it's been is a very hospital-centric model where we focus on things like being a level 1 trauma center and our cardiac surgery program and our hepatobiliary surgery program. But really that's taking care of people after they've already become sick. We're focusing on trying to get people healthy and keep them healthy. One way to do that is to expand into the community through programs like this.
There's a tremendous overutilization of emergency rooms, and in reality only 40% of patients who come to an emergency room by ambulance are even sick enough to get admitted. So if we're ever going to reduce the cost of health care has to be delivered in a setting that's most appropriate and most cost effective, which oftentimes means not in a hospital.
All of the sponsors say the crowd was enthusiastic about everything being presented at the expo, but only time will tell if the message is fully received. For Take 5 with the Regional Chamber, I'm Talia Hagler.
We'd like to thank all the sponsors, vendors, and everyone who came out for the expo. We hope to see you all there again next year. And now to an organization that helps match seniors in our community with volunteer opportunities. Retire Senior Volunteer Program, or RSVP, is a national organization with a program coordinator here in the Valley. Volunteers with the program can donate their time in a number of ways, including with local agencies and nonprofits, as well as helping with events.
My job is twofold. I go out and I look for individuals who, again, are 55 and better, retired senior folks, who want to volunteer and give back to the community. And I help them find those places that best meet their interests, their needs, and really where they can put their skills to use. The other side of it is I am always looking for nonprofits, schools, and health agencies that need volunteers. And the benefit to them is, I'm helping them with that recruitment piece.
I think there's a real social emotional benefit that accompanies feeling worthwhile. A lot of people as they get older, if they are, exiting the workforce, if they don't have $1 million and are traveling the world, can find some real satisfaction and self-worth in giving back to their community. And RSVP allows you that opportunity.
RSVP only requires 10 hours of volunteer time a year. They currently have about 30 volunteers signed up and are looking for more. If you're interested in volunteering, or if you are in need of volunteers, you can contact Leah at RSVP at 330-480-0352. We hope you enjoyed this edition of Take 5, and we'll see you again next week. With the Regional Chamber, I'm Kim Calvert.
Take 5 with the Regional Chamber is produced by Mahoning Valley Productions, where we tell your stories.